Today, we gonna review the Vinfast Feliz e-motorbike of Vietnamese vehicle company. We have been able to test the bike for 3 months. The bike got a maximum speed of 60 km per hour. One battery charge lasts for 60 to 70 kilometers. It takes 9 to 12 hours to fully charge the battery. The model Feliz is in 4 colors available: black, wine red, white and dark green. The 1200 watts power of the motor is equal to 1.5 horsepower. It's good to see the cockpit got a big display that shows voltage of the battery, speed by kmh. There are 2 mode display: Eco and Sport. On the left side of the bike's body there is a small storage, a plastic lid, and it seems not very safe because the cover is made of thin plastic. A hook is in the middle of the body. On the right there is the ignition. The key got 3 buttons for lock, unlock and an alert system. In the trunk of the bike there is a box to store the charger. The charging outlet is inside. Most of the common bikes have the outlet outside under the seat. There is also a switch above to break the connection to the battery pack for not discharging the battery or to save the bike from stealing. Vinfast offers a 72-volt charger. So the e-motorbike uses 6 batteries in series. The plug is an European plug. On the back of the charger there is an instructions for how to charge in the right way. On the charger, we will find a LED indicator in blue and red to indicate whether it is charging or the battery is full. Vinfast's charging cord is not very sure. Nice to see that Vinfast given extra tools for mounting the rear mirrors or for opening the housing of the bike. What about the lights? The lights are overwhelming because they're very bright and even though to the side. If we turn on the headlights it is not much brighter than the main light. The backlight design is very modern. What about the buttons next to the cockpit display? Let's take a closer look. The buttons feel a bit like plastic, but stable. The seat is too slanted because the back is too high. As a passenger seat, it is difficult not to slide forward when braking. An uncomfortable position for the passenger. The footrests can be easily pulled out. The design looks elegant and safe. The front and rear wheels were fitted with brake discs. But unfortunately they were not installed correctly because they squeak very noisy. The motorcycle drives very smoothly. The driving feel is quite different from a gasoline engine. The Vinfast Feliz has enough power to carry another adult plus 2 small children over a steep bridge. Should the battery be damaged in the future, it is easy to change to a Lion battery. Then the battery will last at least 5 years or more. The price at this time is about $1150 US. A bit too much for what we get. If the price is around $700 US, then it could be a recommendation. Is this electric scooter a Tesla on 2 wheels? Vinfast is following the path of future mobility. There is still a lack of fine-tuning and logical applications. The Feliz is not yet perfect, but the future models could be better built. We will let you know. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Your MiiTwe.